Naresh sir.
Spurti ma'am.
Yes. Okay, guys. There is some technical problem in live streaming the current session. Even the other departments also has faced the same problem. So let us go with the Zoom recording only. Okay. Venkatesh, once again, I welcome you, Venkatesh. Good evening, students and my dear faculty and today's alumni, Venkatesh. Okay, let me first of all introduce today's alumni to you all, ma. That is to you all. He is Venkatesh, V. Venkatesh from batch 1113, and he's currently working in Abbott India Limited. It's a pharmaceutical company, and he has 8 years of experience. And he's currently working as marketing manager in Abbott India Limited. Okay, talking about Venkateshma, he was very regular student and studious, as well as he was very silent and dedicated student. Okay. Uh, Now, I request Venkatesh to share your experiences in CMR college and your journey into the CMR, as well as your association with the department and your career and your career experiences. Okay. And what did you learn exactly from the CMR technical campus, and how did it fetch you in your life and your career? Okay. And now I once again welcome Venkatesh. The participants are first and second years are there. Okay. Now I hand over the session to Venkatesh. Over to Venkatesh.
Thank you, ma'am. Am I audible?
Venkatesh, it's clear.
Yeah, a very good evening, guys. It gives me an immense pleasure for this to share my views and experiences with you. And I'm very sure that somehow our experience will definitely help you in future for achieving your goals. Okay, I felt very happy that called me and said that we are conducting so and so meeting. It is not a first time, but previously also from this campus, many of them, like our previous seniors, were also doing this same. Really, it gives me an like an encouragement boost. Okay, let's come to my experience with to be a student from CMRTC because I came to CMRTC through ISET. I got a seat there, and I was very worried about my career because it was a last path for me to do. I was expecting that after doing my MBA would be a correct option for me to achieve my goals. Then I'm approached some of the lecturers, where like Shema ma'am, Spurti ma'am, they encouraged me in such a way that it gave me a boost to my career. That with taking so and so subjects and doing MBA can be a definitely you can build up your career in such a way. And I will share some experience with you. Doing our MBA 2 years, I felt that really it was not enough for gaining a much knowledge because it was lesser time. As we may be feeling that day to day going college is very bored and we want a leisure time. But after completion of MBA, when I came to in MBA for another 1 year or few months, it would be very useful for us of learning something new because today, as we are in a scenario that many of us are feeling very tough to do difficult tasks like any problem overtaking risk cover management, we can say that. See, almost 90% of the knowledge has been gained through this by doing MBA, and beautiful lectures, what they explain us. They were very practically telling us, like Harish Reddy sir, Spurti ma'am, Shema ma'am, and Hansraj sir, like Sunil sir. Uh, they were not only encouraging in such a way, but also they help also in personal life how to handle the situation with these thoughts. Practically, they were proving us. Yes, I really like that part in that college. Yeah, I can say that uh, 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 I was got selected in four of them, but there were many other interviews conducted by different companies and different companies. If I remember, ITC was the big company at that time. One of our senior was selected in that. So I was very many of them were facing very tough situation, and here the thing was that some of the students got selected easily. It was not very tough job to them. Pursued the skill in such a way. If we see, many of the students are doing previously, if we have seen CMR call other previous batches, they are well settled in other companies. In my group, in my MBA group, if we see, almost all my friends are joined in different companies and they are in a good position today. Yeah, definitely. I really appreciate this kind of thought in such a period, in such a lockdown period. No one are eligible for going outside or doing any things or going to that industry. Since I am uh, at my home from 3 months without any work and doing just work from home. But here the task given for us is work from home. We are also able to manage. We are trying to managing it, and really we can do the success. And today, dear friends, today I would like to share. See, many of I would like to also remember one thought that previously, one thing our lecturers invited me for first year and second year students. I was conducting for. I have seen how they performed. How was the talent? See, all of them were doing good, but somehow many of them were not able to express it properly, even though they are having idea, but they were not able to express it. But definitely, you may be having a fear of I can't do this or I'm not able to do this. But definitely, end of the year, you will be in a situation that you can do it because college and will let you know you are the asset of some other industry or your career path. Definitely situation, you can believe me, but without expressing, without executing, we can't do that. Even God can do anything in this present day because in the previous days opportunities were very less. The studied person, educated person were elected, but today many opportunities are around. If a company want to recruit you, definitely they want skills, such type of skills in you, what type of skills you are having and what is the attitude you are having. See, these kind of things are observed in every student they want. So here sharing of some experiences like what the experience we are facing today, definitely we will be a booster to you, dear friends. That's what I would like to say. See, here I was elected through CMRTC campus. Uh, it was very small company, but I thought that I got elected for 2 to 3 companies in CMR from CMRTC. But I have selected only one very small company. But I can say that before when I went to the company, I felt that it's a very small company. Working here does not be a good career for me. I can build my career, but uh, that idea was really foolish from my side. Whatever I felt afterwards, because I have learned something from there. I have gained something. In fourth semester, fourth semester. I have joined in that company. Our lecturers, madam, they gave us a boost that you can do it. They have conducted such an interviews. Really, today is from interview board. Really wonderful. I can see that when we compare from our college to other colleges, we can see there are not such opportunities going in other companies, and also the infrastructure was they are providing is really, it gives a corporate level enjoy it. It's not like other campuses. Really, I can say that what I feel, my experience in MBA, I can feel outside. That was what I was really happy for it, and the boost they what they gave us the career was really amazing. At my first company, what I have learned, and then when I came back. Like I selected another company, a big company, that is Torrent Pharmaceuticals. Even though I was not from a science background, it was end of my MBA, like 2014. It was the final semester running on. I was really worried about it because the opportunity, once it will knock the door, just we have to see what it is. If we can do it, definitely we'll be doing it. If we won't. And here I would like to definitely remember you one point, guys. The perception what we are making from it. See, for example, I was selected in fire and steel industry. It is quite different. The same equal pipeline was that is a marketing, where we need a skill of convincing the customer, that conventional skills, that was the need in there. See, guys, you can think that, see how quite opposite it was. See, if I was able to do that, definitely sure in this time, after my completion of nearly 6 methods to do, there is no such a hard work to do. It is very easy to understand the methods, and going out, you can really execute in a better way than us. But the thing that is, or explore. So this is what they are facing. The problem is the perception what they are making is the really thing which remains in their mindset. By seeing a company or facing an interview, really a person before attending an interview, he may feel that how would I select it, what type of questions they may be asking. In that thing, they may be losing their mind, like what are they prepared for. They may be end of the day, after attending the interview, they may be coming to the conclusion that I was thinking so and so. See, here the what I would like to remember you is the perception what you are making before you attend it. See, think about it. Then after when I have asked in my college that regarding so and so company, they gave me a boost of so and so can prove you better. When you can do this, you can also do that. So definitely I have joined it, and I worked it for 4 years there. Then to other company, that is Torrent Pharmaceuticals, and now I'm Abbott. Came into Abbott, which is international market, and dealing with Total South as a marketing manager. Where I was joined as an executive for a fire and safety industry, where it is completely different. That today I am marketing manager for entire south region of Abbott pharmaceutical industry, which is an international company. It's really gives me a boost that really I feel proud if I see that my root cause is so and so CMRTC. I can really say that because here I am the only proof. I can say you that definitely you can also do better than us. And dealing now, Siba, that's what I would like to remember some of the points today in this meeting. That friends, the wrong perception can definitely lead to you a wrong way. All the lecturers and the college is with you for motivating you and to do it. If you want to do, if you want to break out anything, there is a one thing called expressing and gaining of knowledge and skills. Try to do it. Try to do an attempt. In one attempt, you can't do anything at far, but trying it will definitely give you a success. Well, I have tried. I have tried in many ways. Then I am here. I will day and day, I will try to improve myself in more ways so that it can definitely give me success. I'm very confident about it. But here the wrong perception is very bad habit of doing it in our daily life. Imaginative way which can lead to wrong facing with this same era. They're creating a era in their surroundings that so and so is wrong. So and perception and thing which your enters into your mind will definitely will push you back. That kind of one I would like to say. And see, marketing, either it may be marketing guys or HR or finance, whatever it may be. Today, the industries, what they are looking for is what kind of talented are you, and what you are different from others. See, a small experience that in my this uh, 8 years journey about interview was really such a tough that the interview was about 2 months, where the round and round was about in a gap of 10 to 15 days. There was written skills and there was analytical skills, and there was different kind of situational skills for me for doing that, for attending, for getting into that company. Really, the guys interview where two from Hyderabad were selected, one of me and another one my colleague. See, end of the day, they said that before getting a call letter or a joining letter, the company, the managers, my managers, they told me that you are something different from others. That's why today you are here. So really, it makes me to feel, really I felt very good about it, because expressing something different from others is definitely creating an impact on you. You can see that. So try in such a way, either it may be for HR, mainly for to HR guy. I would like to tell you, there are HR and finance. Finance, they need to work out in different kinds of methods and different what like HR and marketing is a different kind of methods and they can solve it. Uh, Comparative from HR and marketing. See, marketing guys market definitely. When they try to do it, either it may be failure or success. A success gives a boost. A failure make to learn him a lesson what the mistakes he is making, and he want to definitely learn it. If he learn it, definitely he's going in a success way. I can surely tell you the HR guys can play an important role, very important role in an organization is HR, because each and every department they will be looking at HR. Either it pharmaceutical company, either any company, HR plays an important role. See, many of the HR guys, they may be feeling that really we are not able to work out, or we are not able to, how we can do it, because there will be a low salary. Getting to a company will give us very low salaries. See, dear friends, the HR guys, I'm saying you that whatever it may be, please don't look after salary first time. When you're joining a company, please don't look after the salary. Build up your skills, and you are the person, you really believe or not, you are the person to hold the whole organization. And marketing guys, as I said, see, when I came to CMRTC for conducting these interviews, I was taking an interviews and I gave a situation that to do so and so uh, to convince a customer. See, some of them have tried in their different ways. See, in that way, end of the day, in that conversation, in that communication, what I see is the selling of that product is important for me. In a time, how much time you have taken, and what are the words you are making the customer to satisfy him. What are the words you are using? These all able to control the entire situation. Whereas in finance, what is the time taken by them to complete the, the given task? See, these three kind of roles plays an important role in the departments: HR, finance, and marketing. And there are certain development build up, as you may be seeing many guys like one of your friend may be selected in Infosys and other may be selected in so and so. By seeing them, you may be feeling that why I'm not able to do, and that creates an impact, negative impact. So that is not the thing what you have to observe in what you are. Lecturers told me that uh, see, if you want to do something, think that you can do it or not. If you really learn that how to do it, you will definitely make it. First, prepare for it. For example, directly you can't construct a house without a groundwork. Without making a groundwork, directly you can construct a house. It needs a planning. It's need and efforts. So these kind of things to be observed in personality development, either in personal development or attitude, what you are creating. So, these all matters in it. So friends, I would like to give an advice that, see, making an wrong perception or a negative impact is if it doesn't give a success to you. So you should learn how to build up. They are the lecturers. I can say you that they practically prove you how you can make it. I can definitely say you that. Say, ask. Without asking anything, you can't get it. By asking, you can get it. Ask them how I can do this. Different kind. Some of them they may be from Telugu medium background. They may be feeling like shy. How I can ask or not? Asking this question may like a feeling of guiltiness. See, these all you can't do now. Just go and ask what are your mistakes, what are you now at the position, and what you want to develop yourself. What are the ways to develop? Definitely, I can say you they will help you out. They have helped me. Yes, as I said that my lecturers helped me. How they helped is one of the example is that if you want to do it, just practice in front of a mirror. See, friends, mirror is a right object, I think so, where you can see yourself, not glamorously, but either if you want to deliver a speech, if you want to give a speech, or if you feel that you are attending an interview, mirror is a correct reflect of you to show what are you. Are you maintaining a smile? Are you worried? Are you tensed? Are you feeling shivered? This can be seen in the mirror, or else you can record it in your mobiles. It's a shortcut way, very helpful to you. You can easily see that what are you up to, and it will show you before attending an interview. Please make a trials of it. Definitely, it will give you a good result. My lecturer helped me in that way. I have practiced this 1 to 3 times, and finally, I came to a notice that yes, definitely it is helping me because if I do it in front of my friends, they may be laughing at me. So I may feel some of discouragement. I can't do in front of others for my practicing. So they give me such an idea to develop myself, and practically I would like to share another thing is that in developing of skills, they have conducted a practical way. They have done a different projects. We went to Maychel for visiting some of the companies, like how they are organizing it and what are the productivity, what in which way they are doing, what are the steps they are taking. See, these all are done in such a way to understand a person, to make an understand for us for how it is done. It is not done like the in a simple ways. What kind of efforts, what kind of person, what kind of raw material, what is the raw material used in it, what is the quantity, and what are the this persons needed for doing in it. See, these all observation were done where we were carrying a book and we were noticing it, what kind of things we are observing there. End of the day, after the project completion, we were asked what you have observed in it. So we were saying so and so, and they were correcting us like, see, so and so you have to observe this one. So this is your part. The marketing guys can observe this. The finance guys may observe another thing. HR guys can see this. See, this kind of separation was done. We were really happy for it because it gives us a skill to develop. See, what are the things to be observed in an industry for getting a boost, for getting a knowledge of it. See, it really helped me, and we were taken to one of the exhibition where many of the companies got participated in it, and we were the person for getting it from our college, and really we felt very happy that what are the companies with different kind of their project, how they are marketing, and what are their rules and regulations, and what they are following to deliver and to convey the customer what are the basics they are following. See, these all we practically observed. See, this shows the real world how it is now. So this was observed through our lecturers and through our company, I can say. And not only these, the games like uh, not like it's sports. There are different kinds of management games where I can see how can a teamwork do a work. Maybe I think you may be also facing it. You may be also doing it or management activities. One of the activity I really we did that activity and it was really fantastic. And the meaning of that, what we learned is teamwork and do this work together. What we learned is about the teamwork and whatnot. Uh, Today we are here, but we are not able to forget the roots, making us fruitful today. Our roots are uh, roots what they provided us. Today we are grown up, and today we are in a situation to be fruitful in our life. I'm very thankful for such kind of encouragement and such kind of boost what they have given for us in the career. Not only me, but my friends like Hazmatunisa, Kedar Ishwari, and Ganesh, Kishore, Faninder. These all guys are in a good position that seeing to them, we can observe that what kind of skills they have developed in the CMRTC and what they are today. So this is what the guys, as the time given for me is half an hour to 40 minutes. I think I have covered some of the points. There are many more to discuss. And thank you for this opportunity. Uh, Spooty ma'am?
Yes, Venkatesh, thank you. Now let's take a few questions from the students. Yes,
Yes.
yes. Anybody with any questions, ma?
Yeah, please come forward.
Yes, you can learn a lot because MBA guy into the pharmaceutical company, and you can just find out the diversity. Okay, means management is everywhere, so you can come out with yes, someone. Yes, may I know who's that?
See, I am very open to it. Whereas if you know more than me, I am able to learn it. So please help me out.
Yes, any first years or second years having any questions, ma'am?
Hi, sir.
Yeah, good evening.
Yeah, I'm Akash.
Yes, Akash, how are you?
I'm good. I'm good, sir. How are you?
Yeah, yeah, I'm fine, thank you. Yes,
Sir, as you said that you have an 8 years of experience in marketing field. So, in this present pandemic situation that is around, so how how does your organization held up? Taking up freshers
can you
because
please
I
repeat
because
it?
no, because due to the pandemic situation around, we can see like many of the big multinational companies or private companies, they're just taking out their employees.
Yes,
Even the most experienced employees are also been taken out
yes, you're right.
because so in this situation, I just want to ask like how does your organization, I mean the about company, pharmaceutical company, try to try to give an opportunity for the freshers. So what we need to do for that? I mean, how can we develop more skills so that we can get an opportunity to work in this pharmaceutical companies or any multinational companies?
Okay, there are two kind of questions. What you asked is in this pandemic situation, what is your company? And another thing, what you're asking is how we want to build up some qualities like to get down in such kind of companies. Am I right?
Yes, sir. Because
Yeah.
most talented persons or most experienced persons have been taken out of the company.
Yes, yes. Yeah, I understood. See, see, in this situation, what are really facing a tough situation where they can't generate any income. So definitely they are taking out the situation like the losses of the company. There may be different divisions like somehow there may be finance, HR, and marketing. So small scale industry where they are not having much budget to maintain this all. What they are doing is they are taking some of the they are only just thinking over that for important of some guys to operate, or else they are totally they are flushing out. So here this company about such a company, it's a multinational company where it follows some of the ethics and rules where employees are not taken out such in such a way. This is what the company's ethics and rules are. And moreover, company's goodness, you may be hearing that goodwill, a word called as goodwill. Today, as we are in a marketing sector and is in a medicine, the medicine what we are dealing is all that the patients are using today. Same. And what maybe there may be a decremental growth of 10% in this situation. It is acceptable, maybe 10% decrease, but there is not much decrease up to 50%, where the product today are helping out to maintain the same sales. In the same situation, the strategic implements what the company is planning, if it is executed properly nowadays, either through meeting the doctor through online or in SMS call of sales. So I most probably small scale industries are not doing that. That's why today they are facing a problem. But such an industry, such some of the companies, they are maintaining the strategy. They have changed the strategy from field to online digital. And as the sales are maintained equally, we are here today. You got it?
Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Okay. Yes, anyone is having any queries, ma? You can clear it from Venkatesh.
Yeah, please, you can ask me.
Okay, let me ask one question, Venkatesh.
Yeah,
Okay,
ma'am.
you know there is a perception that taking an MBA specialization, they have a lot of questions actually. Like girls having a perception that whether MBA marketing specialization is suitable to them or not. Okay, like you just suggest them how girls can explore in marketing field.
Yeah, definitely, madam. It's a really good question what you have asked, because today in marketing sector, girls are playing an important role. Let me make you clear that today with the guys, we are facing many problem. Most of the problem that boys are in a row, into meet a doctor. So this situation is that we are in a line to meet a doctor to convince a customer, but one or two ladies like girl marketing employees, they are allowed. See, here the strategy of the company is that boys and girls both are equal in doing any task, and they can do better than compared to boys. Whereas we are seeing such a situation that girls can do it brilliantly, because uh, see, madam, I would like to tell you an example. For if you are going to a market, like we are doing our field work, we would be dressed in formally and wearing a tie and everything. But coming to girls, they are dressed up in a simple way and carrying a handbag. In a hospital, if we see that situation, we are in a professional way to meet a doctor, but the ladies are coming in such a way as they are patient, and we are waiting for hours and hours in a queue, but the ladies are going and meeting, and they are doing their work job easily, and they are respected everywhere. See, really, we were feeling awake of it. See, how brilliantly they are handling it. See, girls are having really such an advantages where boys are not having nowadays. They can they are working easily. Like they want to convince a customer by seeing that the skills what they are having, and being a girl taking a marketing job is feel that, so being a girl in this situation doing such a work, it's really a good, like they are telling that isko dum hai. One of my customer told that, see, what you are doing today is a girl is also doing the same situation in this market. Really, I will appreciate that guts of the girl. So such kind of advantages are there, madam.
Okay, Venkatesh. Yes, any questions from anybody? I think they got a lot of inputs from your talk, Venkatesh. Okay. So any, yes, you know, there's something like we have a perception like marketing is all about the sales job. Do you think, is it the marketing is all about sales, or what are the other marketing job opportunities? Can you please clear this particular question to my students?
Yeah, can you please repeat it, madam?
You know, we have a perception that marketing is all about sales job, sales. Okay, is it that, or are there any marketing job opportunities? Did you get my
Yes,
question, Venkatesh?
yeah, yes, I got you, madam.
Hmm.
Marketing is not all about sales. End of the part is sales, madam. But the first part of the marketing is collecting of data, analyzing the data should be analyzed and compared from product to product and industry to industry. And after the end of that task is sales. First of all, the first most thing is to analyze what is happening, what we can do. Now we can see in a digital marketing in television that advertisement of some chocolates like 5 star dairy milk and so and so. In that situation, entering of another chocolate is difficult and to survive in that chocolate, whereas dairy milk is having a lot of share and also 5 star perk. But the company, they want to think in a different way and come out in the market by competing other products. The chocolate name is the caption was what uh, not only chocolate but also it will be like I don't remember the chocolate's name, madam. Can you please help me? Uh, just I want to give a clarity of it. Uh, Hello, ma'am.
Yes, yes.
It's a chocolate. It's not only a chocolate, but it fulfills your hunger. The concept of the chocolate is so and so. Can you please help me? What chocolate
Snickers.
means?
Snickers.
Yeah, yes.
Sir, it's
Yeah, yeah.
Snickers.
Yeah. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. See,
Yes.
Snickers. Can you please think the logic of it? See, automatically the sales of the chocolate is more than today's dairy milk and 5 star with a different concept. See, as I told you that analyzing the marketing conditions and also strategy what you're making today is definitely going to work out. How you're doing that? See, this is what marketing guys need: the creativity of the product.
Okay. Thank you, Venkatesh. Okay. Any would you like to say any one word to our students? Conclusion
Yeah,
word.
yeah, definitely, ma'am. Guys, without college and most of the in most of the industries and also colleges nowadays, but in this time, please boost up your skills, like improving your skills like personality development, and also skills like communication. Yourself in a simple way, like what you are up to and what would you like to improve for your better future. This is in your hand. And also I would like to just one point is a wrong perception. Please keep it in your mind. And I would like to conclude with a one word to everyone who are in this program, and everyone is rasta dhunna padega. See, did you get it? Rasta dhunna padega. Today whole world is running with this caption. We have to find a way. Okay.
Yes,
Hope you
sir.
and your families and everyone will be all should be safe. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you, Venkatesh, for your valuable inputs to our students. Okay. Okay. Thank you once again from the department and from the college, Venkatesh. Okay. Uh, let's wind up the session. It's all about time is already been done. Okay, Venkatesh, fine. And yes, let's meet tomorrow once again with another alumni meet exactly at 4 p.m. Okay. Thank you all.
Thank you,